Hello everyone, I added tons of new stuff again for the latest release and I didn't have much time to record the video yet. Finally, I have a little bit of time, so I will show you guys the major features. Look at the new features that you get. Doesn't even fit one page, like we have to scroll. So these are the new features and there are tons of improvements or changes happen. You guys can check that out. I'm gonna focus on the most important features only on this video. And on the end of the video, I will ask you guys a question, so stay tuned. So let's start with the 301. Let's start with that. I use it all the time. It is really useful for SEO or tracking the links. I use it for both. And now we are able to add regex redirects. So what is that? If you don't know, let's say you have an old link and you have some permalinks, but this permalink, like after this permalinks changes time to time, okay? And you want to catch that links dynamically. So this can be value as well, by the way, value 10, like something like that as well. Okay. So we want to catch those links dynamically, old to new. Okay. And this is the only thing we need to do. And after that, anything comes after that will match automatically with new permalink, new link. Okay. So this is the new feature. It is a really big feature, especially for me. I use it all the time, 301, and you need this 301 feature like almost all client projects, honestly, because you may want to delete a page, change the page URL, and the moment you make that change, you have to redirect it, or you will use your value, or you will start to have like tons of 404 logs because the bot started to look at that. It will search that old URL. Okay. So that's that. And let's check the other features. First, I'm gonna focus on the settings, like features first. Oh, this is the big one, big one. And let's check the custom codes. As you guys know, like we write lots of snippets. I do it all the time. So that's why I added these backup options. Now it is possible to download these backups. It saves last 30 days. And this is the setting. You just need to enable this. That's it. So by the way, if your site doesn't have much traffic, okay, let's say you are the only person visiting the website. So if nobody visits the website, the backup will not run because it needs an event. Okay, so if there is no event happening on the website, there is literally no traffic. So it may miss the day. Okay, it may miss the day. So it may skip couple days depending on your traffic. Okay. So this is just typical WordPress side effect, not because of this feature. It is the reason how WordPress works. Okay, depends on your hosting and stuff. So you can download the code and you can copy paste this or upload this again depending on your setup. You can do anything. This is saved on the database, so it is safe. I was first thinking about like saving as a file, but then I decided some people may like ads with snippets with private information, or it can be API keys and stuff. That's why I decided saving on the database. This is much safer. So that's that. This is really big, so I love it. So now you are not going to overwrite your codes accidentally. How about that? Like perfect. It is almost like a plugin now. So let's focus on the other feature. Oh, author, this is really big one. Now you are able to add with custom fields on your author users. Let's say color field, save. Let's check my profile. Now I have my custom field on user profile field. Okay, that's possible. Of course, you can add other fields, or if it's sports, can be repeater as well. So let's save it. It can be a avatar field, text field, description field. You can add anything. Easy. And I am thinking about like adding one more feature or two more features maybe. So I'm still thinking about how to implement it. The option page, ACF option page. I think I will add another checkbox here. Call it the option or option page. And the moment we enable that, the new page will pop up here, like CF option or custom options and stuff. I don't know. I will depend. Maybe I will read the group name. Yeah, I can read the group name automatically and then name it with that. So the page name can be edited easily. So that's it. I will just add another feature here. And I have couple more field type to add. I don't think we need like all the ACF field types. I don't know. Like if like 1 in 1,000 you need a field type, do I need to add it really? Honestly, like that's how I think about it. I will add couple more field types, but mostly I think I added everything I need right now. So let's focus on the next feature. Look, I think I'll talk about the all settings. I'm gonna let's look. Yeah. Okay. Let's focus on the elements. Let's go to the elements. So I added tons of new elements again. Actually, when you go down, like you look at that, oh, there are so many new elements. Let's check the first compare image. Okay, why not? We can check the compare image. Now, the compare image is simple, easy. You just need to add like the image, select, and you can change your icon, you can change your colors and stuff. Yeah, let's make it something weird. And then this is a easy compare image. You can change your left text, you can change your right text as well. Check. Perfect. It looks great and it works mobile as well. And by the way, you don't have to click the icon only. You can click empty place and it will just skip to that point. Easy. I added this like click feature for the mobile because some people doesn't like to click on the icon. I don't know. Weird. So that's that. Timeline element. Timeline element is with a repeater. We can add lots of timelines and it will automatically add it right, left, right, left. Oh, did I? Okay, I'm gonna add this as a default bit, I think. I think as a default, it needs 100%. Yeah. Let's check the timeline. It will automatically put right or left. And we can change the colors. Every color, by the way, not just one color. You can do anything with this. Look at that. Do whatever you want. You are free. You can make one color or multiple colors if you want to. I don't care. It's your site. And let's check the other element. SVG text path. Yeah, SVG animated. Let's first show the animated headline. Animated headline. If you are used to, you may know from the Elementor. Let's check this headline. Of course, we can change text, before text, after text, and we can set the H1 or whatever. If you want to set up your SEO, you can do that. And then we can select some defaults. Let's make the width a little bit more. Let's make the color a little bit different. And we can change the place. Look at that. Oh my god. You have more control. This element is superior, guys. This element is superior. And you can loop the animation and make it faster or slower. I need to add S. Add it S, just in case. Nice, perfect. So we can make it rounded when you click it, like the tip text on top or bottom. That's just Z index. That's it. And then we can change the other defaults and we can select our weird designs. Look at that. The preview doesn't work for that. So it shows on the front end. So we can make like weird stuff like that. It is possible. Do whatever you want. No limit. And let's check the other SVG. By the way, this was came up with as a bonus. When I developed like animated headline, I was thinking, you know, it is really similar features. I should develop this too. Like it wasn't even on my list. And now I added this one. Let's a little bit bigger. Okay. It follows the SVG text path, and let's make it a little bit longer, and we can select some defaults. Again, easy. And this is spiraling. Okay. And we can rotate the text. We'll rotate. Yeah. And we can add stroke width. What is that? Oh, yeah. We can add stroke to the text if we want to. SVG stroke works a little bit different than the SCSS. Actually, it may even look like great depending on your design. So path stroke color, let's give a little bit different color so it is visible. Nice. Let's make this actually thick. And let's make the color weird as well. See something nice. Okay. So again, we can select some ready to use paths, or we can select something custom. So both works. Let's make normal, refresh, save. Easy. Look at that. Look at that. Looks amazing. Great. So this is the other element. Works nice. Let's check the one. Let's check the Flipbox element. Flip. And this one is really powerful, by the way. Only thing you need to do is add two element. It can be anything. Doesn't matter. Like literally anything. So let's make the width. Okay. Whoop, whoop. By the way, let's actually wrap it with a block. I think this is much better than giving it here and giving it to the block is much better idea when you are building stuff. By the way, I know preview looks weird, but I wanted to show both of them same time. I don't know. I think it is much better like when you are designing. But if you want to hide it, you can do it. Like you can come here, like if you don't want to see it. I mean, this is just for backend anyway, honestly. So on the front end, it will just look normal. Okay. And like I said, it can be anything. It doesn't have to be a basic text. It can be a block element, div element, or it can be rich text, or it can be like any other icon list, icon box elements. You just need two elements and it automatically flips them. Okay, it is nestable by nature. So there are tons of weird setups. For example, it can be left to right, right to left, and it can be top to bottom, and it can be bottom top. It can be fade in. It is almost unrecognizable. Which is which? Let's make that. It can be fade in, and it can be spin flip. Which one is that? Yeah, this one is weird. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Is it breaking? Oh, interesting. I think like if you need more control for your setup, you can wrap both of them. Okay. And this may give you a little bit more control if you need it. Like depends on your setup. Okay. I have no idea why this one is making a weird something like that. I don't know why it defaulted down. Did we found a bug or something? Anyway, and let's change the left to right slide. Oh, this one is great because let's say you want to slide some stuff when hovered, and only thing you need to do is make overflow hidden. Okay, and now look at that. It is coming out of, and it can be right to left, left to right, top to bottom. Like this gives you possibility to do anything. Like this is like a simple example, but like if you have a weird shape inside it, it doesn't have to be text. You can make other stuff. You can create buttons, custom buttons with it. And only thing you need to do is like it can be literally custom button. 50. Okay, let's do it that. Let's add text and let's give some 40. Oh, I think I didn't apply. This didn't apply to the font size. Okay. See, like this can be a button. Like the idea is simple, but the possibilities are really, really, really powerful. Like it is when you think about it procedurally, it gives you so much power. Okay. Like same for the other things. Like you can create buttons. Only thing you need to do is like change this to, for example, A, and now it is a button link. Yeah, easy. Okay, just think about it, tinker with it, like play with it. It is really powerful. So did I forget anything? Oh, is like button. Let's check that. The like button is it gives you ability to some like button. You can leave this blank, but this can be a post ID. My recommendation would be post ID. So it has a unique ID. I liked it before like this page. That's why it is showing for me. And then it will just like it. It will use its own show endpoint. I created a custom endpoint to make it more efficient and secure and better. It is easier to handle the custom endpoints. So that's it. It just works. So keep it in mind, like if you are disabling, like on the security settings, if you disable that, JSON API for guest, like if you disable it, it may create some problem for the guest, okay, visitors. So keep it in mind. So that's that. It works with loops, as you guys can see. It can be a loop, and let's make this as a loop. Pages, get titles as well. Why not? And each of this post will have a unique ID, post ID, data identifier. It is same with this post ID, and now people can like it each post. Easy. And this gets maybe I will make a video later about that too. So this gets saved as a custom field somewhere, and we can access it, by the way. But that's a little bit advanced stuff. I may make a video about it later on if people like really want. I don't know. It might be a little bit advanced. So that's that. I think I showed all the new elements I added and all the big major features. I didn't show all of them. We don't have much time. So check the other stuff if you want to. And again, this theme is free. You are free to download, use, do whatever you want. And if you have any questions, come down to FAQ. You can check the FAQ, and that's it. By the way, I told you guys on the start of the video, I'm going to ask a question. If anyone watched at this point, please answer on the comments. I am thinking about making a tutorial series for the bricks builder. I am thinking about like starting from zero, like installing, making post types, making template hierarchy and stuff. And I'm thinking about like showing all the basics that you will need later on, because most of the people not talking about these basics. I don't know. Maybe they don't know. But it is the most important stuff, like the learning and understanding the post types, taxonomies, and template hierarchy. It is the most important thing, and the knowledge you need like all the time, all the time. And what I'm going to ask is like, which site should I make? Like I'm thinking about making, yeah, I'm thinking about making a maybe a listing site. I think because I want to show some post types and taxonomies and custom fields, you know. I think directory or listing site would be a perfect example, perfect tutorial example. So what do you guys think? And so anything goes, like anything other than WooCommerce, of course. So I want to show and teach the how to use the custom fields and relationship. For example, everyone thinking about ACF relationship. I hate ACF relationship because it creates problems, it creates performance issues. People don't know what they don't know. That's the biggest issue with the ACF. People just don't know. Like, I mean, that's why I'm not blaming anyone. But I want to teach like better relationship methodologies, better ways to build some post type and taxonomy relationships or custom field relationships. So that's why I think listing would be a good idea. So write me in the comments like which website idea would be perfect. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Bye.